Hello everyone, we're going to be doing some tutorial videos on Magica Voxel. Uh, it should be on your, well, I have it inside this folder right here. It's a sort of little uh, cat person. And you can locate it in your apps, get it started, and this is what the editor will look like right here. It is essentially a voxel or 3D cube creation tool, and you can make some really amazing stuff with it. So let's get started. First thing we want to look at is if you look way down on the bottom here where it says console, you can see that it has the X, Y, and Z axis, and then this little cube on the bottom down here, and I'm just right clicking my mouse to rotate it, has the axes located on it. So if I click on here, you can see, and I drag up here, the x-axis goes all the way up to 39. The y-axis, I'm just going to drag up to the end, goes up to 39 as well. Sorry, I'm kind of on the end there. And then the z-axis as well, which is the blue line, goes up to 39. So we're running at 40, 40, x, y, z is 40, 40, 40. So this is way too big for what we want to do. We want to start fairly simple. So let's start by clicking up here, deleting these cubes. We don't want 40 by 40 by 40. We want, actually, sorry, not 12. Let's go 9 by 9 by 9 and just do it that way. Okay, so if we zoom in, now you'll notice the cube is much smaller, actually 9 by 9 by 9. Now what we want to do is, let's just get the cube centered. I'm just clicking on the center of my mouse scroll wheel to pan. You just click the delete button over here under the edit tool, and that will get rid of the cube in the middle, and this gives us a bit more of a workspace to work with. Okay, the first thing we definitely want to do is get some blocks down. So I'm going to click on B for box mode, and I'm going to click attach. So B and attach. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go find this spot right here. That is x1, y7, and z minus 1. And I'm just going to click down and I'm going to drag and create the bottom. Now that's not bad, but it's not the color I want. So I'm going to back up. You can either click undo on the top up here, or you can hit I'm on Mac, so I hit Command Z. So if you're on Windows, you'd hit Control Z. And I'm just going to do that again. So I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to go with pink. Go to the bottom here. I'm just going to drag and make it, there we go, kind of a bottom layer. Now what I want to do is I want to drag this face up. I mean, I could layer down, one after another, but, and I'm going to hit Command Z again. That's not what I want to do. There's an easier way. Let's click on F, and you can see F is for face mode, and it drags. So I click F and make sure I'm on attach, and I just click on here and I pull up, and that will be the start of our box for what we're going to work on. Okay, in the next video we're going to be going over building a top piece and some front parts here.